We live in an age of information overload, algorithms, data, and discoveries at our fingertips. But here's a question. Can a book revealed 1,400 years ago in the Arabian desert contain scientific facts we're only now uncovering? Today, we're connecting the dots between ancient scripture and modern science. Let's explore 10 Quranic verses that align with discoveries that have stunned the scientific world. First up, the Big Bang. In the 20th century, scientists discovered the universe began as a single dense point, then exploded outward. But rewind 1,400 years, the Quran, Surah Al-Anbiya, verse 30, says the heavens and earth were once a joined entity, then separated. This isn't just poetic, it's a precise echo of the Big Bang, centuries before science caught up. In a world that believed in a flat, geocentric universe, this was a cosmological bombshell. Let's talk about embryology. Modern science shows the embryo clings to the uterine wall, resembling a leech. The Quran describes the embryo as alaka, a clinging, leech-like clot. Dr. Keith Moore, a leading embryologist, was amazed by this accuracy. The Quran even details the sequence, a chewed-like lump, then bones clothed with flesh, matching what embryology confirms today. 7th century knowledge, or something more? At places like the Strait of Gibraltar, salt water and fresh water meet but don't mix, separated by an invisible barrier, a fact only modern oceanography revealed. Yet the Quran, Surah Ar-Rahman, describes two seas meeting with a barrier between them. How could anyone in the desert know about this hidden world beneath the waves? Mountains aren't just majestic. They stabilize the earth with deep roots, like tent pegs anchoring a tent. The Quran, Surah An-Naba, calls mountains pegs, describing their stabilizing function. This matches the geological principle of isostasy, discovered over 1,000 years later. In 1929, Hubble discovered the universe is expanding, but the Quran, Surah Ad-Dariyat, says, "We are its expanders," an ongoing process. In the 7th century, the universe was thought to be static. Yet, here's a direct statement about cosmic expansion, centuries before telescopes. Pain is felt through nerve endings in the skin, a fact modern medicine uses to assess burns. The Quran, Surah An-Nisa, says, "Every time their skins are roasted, we replace them so they may taste the punishment." It links pain to the skin, a detail science wouldn't confirm for over a millennium. For centuries, people thought worker bees were male. Modern biology shows they're female. The Quran, Surah An-Nahl, uses feminine grammar when commanding the bee to gather food, perfectly matching what science now knows about bee society. Iron isn't from Earth. It's forged in massive stars and delivered by supernovas. The Quran, Surah Al-Hadid, says, "We sent down iron." The phrase isn't poetic. It's scientifically precise. Iron was sent to Earth from the cosmos, just as astrophysics now confirms. The water cycle. Wind drives clouds. They join, stack, and rain falls. The Quran, Surah An-Nur, describes this exact sequence, driving clouds, joining, stacking, and rain emerging. A step-by-step meteorological model, centuries before satellites. Your fingerprint is unique. No two are alike. The Quran, Surah Al-Qiyamah, says God can restore even your fingertips, highlighting individuality. This detail, unknown for centuries, is now the foundation of forensic science. So what do we make of all this? Are these just coincidences or signs for those who reflect? The Quran invites us to ponder, to connect the seen and unseen. It's not about turning faith into science, but recognizing when paths converge. If even one fact made you pause, like subscribe and share, let's keep asking big questions, because that's what moves us forward. This is Soulfuel, where faith meets fact.